Hello, it's Mama Mo and welcome to a special birthday edition video. My birthday is in the month of May and I hope that you can help me decide what decoration to put on top of my cake. In making custom-made cakes, my tip for you would be to think about how you can show the person's favorites or personality in the cake. So how are we going to do this? I think the best way would be to show you the decorations that I have in mind. So I have narrowed it down to 3 choices. The first one would be a vegetable garden theme. The second one would be an art painting hobby theme. And the third would be a baking theme. Because of the pandemic, I started planting some herbs and vegetables in our backyard and I had sprouted them from seed. Should I have a gardening theme on my cake this year? What do you think? Here's our painting theme. I always wanted to try my hand at painting and finally I did start. We have the wooden palette with some splotches of paint and even a paint tube. And finally, the third idea is a baking theme cake. Of course, you already know that baking is one of my passions. I put in a lot of detail into this. You see the hand mixer? There's still some dough dripping into the mixing bowl, the eggs, a rolling pin, the cake pan with a spatula and the icing bag on it, and of course our little birthday cake. It's really hard to choose. So which among the themes was your favorite? I like them all, so please help me. If you're interested in another video about gardening, do watch one of the videos I made about putting together a greenhouse. So what shall it be? Is it the garden theme, the painting theme, or the baking theme? We don't have a lot of time, so let me know by May 25th so I can finish up the cake. Please let me know your choice in the comments below. So I guess you already know what my next video will be. I will show you which of the 3 cake toppings I decided to put on the cake. Of course, with your help. Remember to hit the like button on YouTube and put down your suggestions in the comment section. And happy birthday to me! Thank you for watching.